In this video we're going to do a compilation video of how many kilos it takes to press your clutch pedal down. I was most impressed with that clutch fix clutch we put in Bobby's 90, and I just wanted to go around and test again with some better equipment how much pressure does it take on all of my vehicles and the blue 90 that's in my shop. It gets interesting. So anyway, look, so that's the initial push down, 1.5. Tell you what, let's put it to 0 there. 9, 8, 9. I don't know if you get that, let's try it again. 9.6. So that's pretty darn good. 9, 11, 12, 14. It's actually harder in the Yaris. It's harder in the Yaris than it is in the Land Rover. Now this is extremely difficult to film. I'm going to test the clutch pressure on this 90 with the 2.5 engine in, because I'm just about to take the engine out. So I've got the gauge here, but you can't really see it, so I'm going to have to shout it out. But I'm going to do the same method. And of course I can't get my door up neither, because it's against my lid. But I'll shout this out. Right, so here we go. We take that initial pressure, we'll set it to 0. There we go. Oop. There we go. Right, are you listening? 14, 15, 17, 19, 20 pounds. 20 kilos. 20 kilos! Could help you. You're like the late Jeff Capes, God bless him. Yeah, and it's that's a heavy clutch. And this is my 130 with the 3.9 Isuzu with a 12-inch clutch. So, like I say, I'm going to have to shout this out because you can't see the scale. I worked that out from previous videos. Right, so I'm going to set it on the pedal, and I'm going to pull down. So I'm going to set this to 0 with just a little bit of weight of the spring on. There we go. I'm going to press that down to see what pedal pressure it is. I'm going to just shout it out. There's 9, 13, 18, 19, 20, 25, 26, 27, 28, 30. 30 kilos to press the bloody pedal down. No wonder my legs are all buggered. Right, well that was a surprise, wasn't it? That clutch fix kit was clearly a winner. But where do we buy them from? I only came across it by accident. I'm thinking now for all my jobs, if I can get some clutch fix clutches just like that one, and one of my clutch forks, and even a TRW newer style master cylinder, that's our clutches all taken care of. At last, fit once, fit and forget. That's it, isn't it? I know my Isuzu engineer it's a really hodgepodge of different cylinders and things. I could really do with changing the cylinder size to make it a little bit softer, but I hardly ever drive it, so I don't really bother. But yeah, the blue 90, that was a bit of a surprise how heavy it was, and that was bog standard master, standard slave, and a standard clutch. Well, I suppose it's heavy duty, but the heavy duty on clutches for Land Rovers, you should know, means it's only a bigger friction plate diameter. That's it. The clamping pressure is exactly the same, I do believe. But the clutch fix one, there's something different, and I'm going to contact them and send them a link to this video so they can see, because I think it could be a really good combination. Anyway, let me know in the comments what you think.